All right, so today I'm going to be working on this 1997 Delta Tow King 22,000 pound trailer. I picked this up from a farmer buddy of mine. He had been hauling farm equipment and he moved up to an 18-wheeler. Last year I hauled a bunch of logs on it, about 8 acres worth, and the knuckle boom that unloaded me at the sawmill really tore up a lot of my wood, but it was already rotten. I stepped through it in a few places. So I got some oak lumber sawed up. I'm gonna replace that today. I need to redo this whole trailer. I put some new U-bolts on there last summer because I stretched those out from overloading it. And I got a few seals blown out on the oil bath hubs, and we'll get to all that sooner or later. But today I'm gonna try to replace this floor. I got some jobs to do, and we'll just get it going. As you can see, my homemade double hinge system, lots of booger welds on there, but don't pay any attention to that. It holds, and that's all that matters. This was originally a full flatbed. It didn't have a dovetail, and I guess the previous owner did some welding action and made a dovetail. I'm not sure if it was the guy I bought it from or the guy that owned it before him, but either way, it's done, and I haven't had any problems. I've severely overloaded this trailer, and it's held up. It held up so much that the U-bolt stretched, and I had to put some new ones on there because the axle was just flopping as I was going down the road. But she's good as used now. And other than just those seals being blown out on the back, and I think that's from me overfilling the oil bath hubs when I rebuilt them. I think I overfilled it, and the back seals blew out on a couple of the hubs. But nothing that can't be fixed. But it's a nice trailer. I got it pretty cheap for what I was getting. I put the new brake pack on there with the little emergency detach and all that. So safety third. And I got my wood over there covered up with tarp. It's rained about 75 inches in the past 2 days, and snowed all week and ice the week before that. So we just got beautiful weather. You know, the mud's knee deep, but stick around, we'll get it done sooner or later. I don't know if you can see this or not, but my 1/4-inch impact, I guess it might be a 3/8, I don't know, the little DeWalt impacts, it wouldn't turn the big screws out of that trailer deck, so I did the right thing and adapted this 3/4 drive impact all the way down to a 3/8 drive T40 bit. So something's either gonna break or it's gonna come out. Probably break, but we'll see. Came right out. And that came right out. Tell you what, the DeWalt impacts are not the best, but they sure beat hammering on a ratchet. So what I'm going to do now is there's a lot of dirt and stuff built up on these rails. I'm just going to blast that off with the pressure washer, and I should probably go ahead and like hit this with a wire brush or a flat disc, but I'm not. I'm just going to put some primer on that, on the stuff that I can't get to once the wood's on there, and just for rust prevention. And I'll come back later and get under here, all this stuff up under and on the sides. I'll paint that, prime and paint it right, but I don't have time to do that today, and it's going to rain for too long, so just want to get it kind of sealed up so I can go ahead and get my floor and put it back on there. All this wood was really rotten. It wouldn't surprise me if that was the original wood, because I mean, it is just, it'll crumble up in your hands. Maybe they replaced a few pieces, but there was a lot that was just murdered. Mud flap. What happened there? I'm gonna pressure wash this down and let it dry a little bit. Maybe get the leaf blower out and dry it, and just hit these parts I won't be able to get once the wood's on there with some primer. And we'll carry on with the wood. All right, so I got all the wood down, and I didn't get to screw it all down because I had to order my screws. They won't be here for a few days, but I did want to go ahead and get it treated because it's gonna rain for the next few days. And this treatment that I put quotations is just burnt motor oil and diesel. You can spray it or put it in a 5-gallon bucket and mop it on, and it works really good. We've had a lot of success using this with various projects over the years, and it'll last for a long time. Cheaper than and more effective than like Thompson water seal. It'll get your clothes nasty if you get on it and rub around or anything, but I mean, it's effective. But yeah, stick around. We'll be replacing those hubs, those inner seals on those hubs pretty soon, and go ahead and doing a real paint job, stripping it down and putting a good paint job on it, and just various odds and end things.